What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Monday, January 11th, 2020. I am Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. So I did do a little trading last night. Full disclosure, I don't show you that until a little later on. I actually meant to show it to you first thing when I opened up my charts, but I saw a trade pretty quickly after that, so it took a minute to go back to it. My plan is to be here 3 days this week. I really like to keep my trading days short. I looked at my trades today. The 3 trades that I took were a total of me being in the market for 12 minutes. It was pretty good for the MES. It would have been great on the ES, but we'll get there. We'll go back to that pretty soon. I told you I want to probably wait till February just to make sure I've got the buy sell button in play properly in my mind. The rules are in play for that, and the reason to move my stop is in play. I do talk about the guide that we're putting out. Y'all, I am looking for people to put their eyes on this guide before I put it out to the general public. Please message me. Please email me. I need some feedback on this. If you would like it, I will send it to you. So I need somebody to look at it to say, yes, this has all the information we need. It's going to be a 3-part guide. Okay, this is part 1 that I need some ohos looking at my stuff. So if you can, please shoot me an email, lindsay@responsibledaytrading.com. and I will send that to you and look forward to your feedback. Oh, one last thing. We are giving 50% off of the 75 Freedom account, guys. 50% off of the 75 Freedom account on UProfit Trader. So the code for that, which you will see right here, is 50life75k. So the 75 Freedom account runs a little bit different to where we calculate things at the end of day instead of during the live trades. It's really something that we are working to do different from other companies and can really just help you out. So check out the 75 Freedom account, 50% off, 50life75k to get that 50% off. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. So I hope everybody has a magnificent Monday, and as always, enjoy the show. Hello, responsible day traders. All right, it is 11 o'clock on the dot. I have a little bit of time. I gotta go run some errands in a little bit. Let's talk a little bit about what's happening on the daily chart. So, it looks like it wants to go up more. The BB is definitely giving us an idea of more up, but it is struggling to go any higher. This was our last high. I mean, it's outside of the Bollinger Bands, but it's weak so far. It is, it can change throughout the day. Some of the things holding me back from taking along, not breaking the top Bollinger Band here, very, very weak, pulled to the upside here, not breaking through here, just very, very weak here. So, and if I look at a bigger chart, it shows more up. So I guess we shall see. I'm gonna see if we're gonna break through here. We're getting really, really close there. There we go. We're going to move to a +1. I'm looking at how these babies are starting to get real wide. Oh, let's pull back. I'm going to hit close. Just has a really good opportunity to pull back much deeper. Probably should have hit close a moment ago, but I was over here looking at this other chart. I traded last night. So that one trade, oh, I'm sorry, 2 trades, excuse me. Just when it opened, I saw something, I jumped the gun, and it's something that I do often. And I know I need to wait, and I just get on these little bitty, little bits of possibilities and maybes and and I don't give it the time that it needs. So that's today and yesterday. So my first one was a loss, so we'll put that one up. So if we're looking at last night, I ended the day with 7.75. And then today, I was able to have my risk right where it needed to be. Held my second target a little longer than I should have. First target, 4 points. Second target, 3 ticks. I had it at the +1, but I went ahead and just exited as it was pulling back, picking up the strength. It really told me to get out, kind of like it did back here, right? So it pulled up really, really sharp, white BBs. There were some signals in the other charts that said, we're probably not going to follow through here. It was right back in here. And whenever it doesn't pop up and doesn't just follow through, then that tells you, hey, it may be time to get out. So a little early on the first one, got the second one. We can see it's trying to pull back deeper. I think this really may be all I do today. It's not much, but I can feel my brain trying to pull away and go into a bunch of other places. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and wrap up. I'm going to go run my errands. I'm really just sitting here thinking about the other things that I need to do, which is go to the post office, box up some stuff. That is not very good conditions for me trading because I keep wanting to take the long right here, even though this is pulling back and rolling down just a little bit, which it may go up from here. But at this point, with it being like this, I would anticipate it to at least give a little bit deeper pullback. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and mark these up. I already marked up the other ones back here, and I'll add them in today's trades so that we can see that. And then we'll add this one on. And last night, if we look at how much time I spent in the market, so let's just do that. I'm just curious at how much time, because today I was done really in like 10 minutes. Okay, so let's look at the entry time. Last night was 8:39. What time did I get out? 8:50. So 11 minutes. Just 1 minute in a trade today. If we look at this, hold on. Minute and a half. 12 minutes worth of actual trading. And guys, remember, this is the MES right now, so we're gonna see a lot lower price point. If I was trading the ES right now, that would be $625 instead of $6,250, which, you know, it's not a lot. It's okay. We have to remember it's not about the money, right? It's about doing the right thing. I got smoothie on the tip of my nose. Little green smoothie on the tip of my nose. Hey, best purchase I ever made, okay? Besides, you know, day trading. Today was a pretty quick day, which I needed. I've got stuff to do. I mean, I've got stuff to do every day. Guys, we have this amazing guide that Jason has worked on. I was calling it a course. I've changed it to a guide because it's really more of a guide of what are E-minis, what are futures, and right now it's going to be a 3-part series. It may extend further than that. So if you are interested, guys, I need some eyes on it before I put it out to the general public. If you are interested in checking that out, please shoot me a message here. Email me, and you can email me at lindsay@responsibledaytrading.com. Whatever, if you're friends with me on Facebook, whatever, just ask me for it, and I'll just send it to you, and you can take a look at it, tell me what you think, and we'll go from there, because I need some eyes on it. I think it's great material, but you know, Jason and I created it, so of course I think it's great. but I want to know what other people think, so please let me know, and I'll let you in on that, guys. It's really just a great way to help people to understand what kind of, what we're looking for with brokers. understanding E-minis and micros and just breaking down things and being a guide and understanding it. So let me know, guys. But otherwise, I think we're going to wrap that up. 2 trades last night, 1 today. Yeah, we're good. All right, folks. We're going to go ahead and close up shop. So I hope everybody has a most magnificent Monday. And as always, you know I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love spending time with you, so please like and subscribe. Also, if you want to spend a little more time with me, head on over to www.responsibledaytrading.com. Click on the Start Your Free Course and Learn How to Get Funded button and set up a time to talk with one of our traders. And before you know it, we'll be spending a lot of time together.